I'm making something really delicious.
Today we are making delectable seafood Newburg. Wow, so yummy. Here are the ingredients. By the way, in this video description, you will find the ingredients and the recipe for this. Take a look at that, but let's have a quick visual here. Ooh, there's the dry sherry, some heavy whipping cream, some crab meat. You can use imitation crab meat or real crab meat. Yes. Okay, let's cut up the fresh mushrooms and the fresh green onions. I'm going to season my mushrooms before I saute them. And I'm also going to do this with the green onion as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and saute my vegetables and crab meat and stir it there. Perfect. Add some butter just for that flavor to go through. And now I'm going to season my shrimp. And by the way, I will be cooking the shrimp separately before I add it to the vegetables and crab meat. As you can see here, look at that. Now let's go ahead and make the sauce. We're adding milk and heavy whipping cream. By the way, please take a look at the ingredients. I'm going to be moving really fast here. All right, so adding that, adding some butter, adding flour. There it is. Adding more seasoning. Okay, paprika, some garlic and parsley. Here's the dry sherry. I went with dry sherry wine. I'm going to go ahead and add that 1/4 cup, and into there it goes. And now stir everything together. And by the way, you can use different spices, okay, to your liking. Here's a reminder to take a look at the ingredients right here in this video description, but you can absolutely add spices to your liking. For this, I've included things like garlic seasoning, parsley, other things. I've added some sweet peas to this to give this such a wonderful balance of flavor. Yes, look at the consistency of this. It's really delicious over chicken, steak, rice, mashed potatoes. Okay, go get your plate. It's time to eat and enjoy.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. I will see you next time.